Hi everybody, Bob here. My video guy, Will Snyder, he's right behind the camera right now. He said, what is the deal with call reluctance? Here's what the deal is. There are some people that are reluctant to pick up the phone and make the calls, and I think it is a confidence problem. And confidence comes from having great skill. So if you're using the words prospecting that all the other coaches taught you that are horrifically horrible, you're going to have call reluctance maybe, and if you don't, maybe that's an even bigger problem. So I want you to be very confident, but I don't want you to be confident when you don't have any skills. Evil Knievel comes to mind. You know, how did that work out, right? So you can be overconfident without having enough skills. So call reluctance is going to go away when you have the exact right words to say in every face-to-face situation you find yourself. So we teach you a listing presentation, a pricing presentation, a for sale by owner presentation, buyer presentation, investor presentation, how to present offers. So that way you're never in a money-making situation face-to-face where you don't have the exact right words to say. And then we teach you the exact right words to say on the telephone to get into those situations. And that, I think, is going to eliminate your call reluctance. So if you want to go to fearlessagent.com and find out how we can help you get rich selling real estate like we always do, please go to fearlessagent.com today, take the free webinar, watch all our training videos that are free, and see if it might be a good fit for you. You can always call me anytime because I want to make you a fearless agent. Thanks.